Hello guys and welcome to Think So. For most people, being in lockdown is not a pleasant experience. However, here are 4 hobbies that can make your experience meaningful during lockdown. So first you can start cooking. Cooking is an interesting hobby. Getting to know the basics of cooking can be a great way to eat healthy and save money. Food brings people together. There is a great joy in cooking for your friends and family. Also, when you get a good foundation, you can try your own recipes, which is a very creative process. So how can you learn? Most people learn cooking from their mothers, but there are also plenty of cookbooks coming from expert chefs as well as YouTube channels about specific recipes and tutorials. Second, there is roller skating. Roller skating is a fun way to lose weight and build muscle at the same time. It will also boost your emotional health. When you exercise, you are releasing feel-good hormones called endorphins. These hormones help you feel more relaxed and happy. So bring your rollers and safety equipment and start rolling. Third, you can learn to play an instrument. Playing music helps with creativity, analytical skills, memory, language, social bonding, and more. There are so many options of instruments to start. If you find it difficult to decide, you can start researching each instrument to find more about its sounds and origins. Once you've made your decision, you can start by hiring a music teacher. Even if the teacher can't access your location because of lockdown, you can also make your lessons online. And finally, you can learn a new language. Successfully learning new languages enables your brain to perform better at any mentally demanding tasks. This leads to sharpening your executive and problem-solving skills. But apart from all the health benefits, learning a new language can create job opportunities. It can also give you an edge in interviews and can lead to 10 to 15% higher salary. Again, there are many options here as well, with the most popular being English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese and Russian. And if you can't find a teacher, there is also the option of language learning apps. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can make more content. Until next time!